Hello everyone, my name is Advik. Today we are doing an experiment of Croma Illusion. Let's start the episode. Equipments of Croma Illusion are two test tubes, stirring stick, yellow color, red color, blue color, water, milk, transparent glass. This is our test tube, this is our scoop, this is our stirring stick, this is our milk, this is the three colors, this is our transparent glass, and this is our water for the colors. Let's start the experiment. Fill both the test tubes with water almost to the top. We have already filled the test tubes almost to the top. Add 2 drops of red into the first test tube and scoop of milk. Mix using stirring stick. Let's add 2 drops of red into the first test tube and 2 drops of blue into the second test tube. Now let's stir the first red one. Now let's stir the second blue one. Now we are going to add a scoop of milk into the first test tube. Now we are going to add another scoop of milk into the second test tube. Now let's stir it. Now let's stir the second red one. Similarly, mix 2 drops of blue along with a scoop of milk in the other test tube. Fill half of the glass with water, add 2 drops of yellow and mix. Add 2 drops of yellow into the water. Now let's stir it. Dip the first test tube vertically into the glass and observe through the filled glass. See the colors, above one is blue and below one is green. Now let's do the same other red test tube. It's gonna be my favorite color. Orange. This one looks like a reddish. Now see the colors. Orange is down at the bottom and red is at the top. See, if we put red and yellow, it makes orange. If we put blue and into yellow, it becomes green. Let's put both in the glass. Now let's try if we can put can't find out. One it's reflecting there. It's reflecting. So this was our experiment of color illusion. Did you see color of the test tube change when looking through the filled part of the glass? What colors did you see? Science behind this. This happens because in your line of sight both colors appear mixed. That's why we see new colors in the area where both colors overlap. So this was our experiment of color illusion. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you like the video, kindly share and subscribe.